What's up, you all? So today, look what I'm cooking. Some salt mackerel. So first thing, you boil the salt mackerel, then me fry up the tomato them first. Yes, you see that red and pretty, then me add all the rest of the seasonings. Like the bell pepper, the onion, a little piece of scallion, a little piece of pepper, and etc. And then me just fry up the seasoning because the salt mackerel already boiled and pick up and wash off with cold water. So after the season them cook, and I also add a little crush of garlic in this. Yes, so fry up your seasoning them nice, and then you just add the salt mackerel to it. Yeah, man, that's how me do it. The yard style, real Jamaican yard style, cooking up your salt mackerel and thing. Yeah, and I eat that. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Wanna like salt mackerel